Hello everyone, welcome to Neurasapiens.
In today's tutorial, we will learn how to show captions in a Tableau worksheet for a data visualization that we create using Tableau Public Desktop Edition. The dataset that we'll be using today is going to be the Complete Pokémon dataset. So I'm going to first drag and drop this dataset into my Tableau Public Desktop session. Now that the dataset has loaded, we can see a summary for how many fields there are in the dataset, as well as how many rows there are. And then on the right-hand corner, we can also see a preview for all the different column types in a dataset and their data types, along with how many rows that we're currently previewing. I am then going to go to my worksheet here, highlighted in orange, called Sheet 1. I'm going to drag the attribute Japanese name to columns, and then their experience growth to rows. So now we can see the total experience growth for all the different Pokemon names, and we can sort this in descending order just to make it a little bit more informative. And we can see now which Pokemon has the highest experience growth. As we go towards the right, we can see which ones have lower and lower experience growth. Now to show the caption, we can go to the top panel, click on this drop down, and then there's this option here, third option from the top called Caption. We can check this, and this will then show the caption here at the bottom of the visualization, which essentially is a summary for what is being visualized. And so there you have it. This is how you can show the caption for a data visualization that you create in a Tableau worksheet using Tableau Public Desktop Edition.
If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe and click the notification bell for weekly videos. Please share the video with anyone who you think would benefit from the content and comment below what topics you would like to learn. If you would like to support this channel and have the means to do so, the best way will be via my Patreon link in the description below. Happy learning, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.